We're working with probability, and we're trying to find our chances of winning the lottery. We're trying to find out what the probability is. We're going to round our answer to the nearest 9 decimals. Well, in order, we have to first determine what type of lottery it is, how many numbers are chosen, how many numbers are available, all that sort of stuff. So let's go down a little bit further here. In this one, 5 balls are chosen from 58. Order does not matter, and that becomes important because that's going to be a combination. Remember, with permutations, the order does matter, but this one it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if all your numbers are drawn in the exact order you chose or in a different order. As long as you chose all the right numbers, then you're good to go. So we need to figure out what our combination is for this one. And this one is a 58 choose 5. So here's kind of what it looks like if we're going to write it all out. But let's not write it all out. Let's bring in the calculators. We'll do the TI Nspire first. This one is a combination. So if we go under our calculator here, let's bring it in full view here. We'll go to Menu, Probability, Combination. And however many we have total and how many we're going to choose. The total amount, our in this case, is 58. We're going to go 58, choose 5. So go 58, then our comma button is right here, 5. Then just hit enter. There are 4,582,116 different possibilities here. Different ways that we can choose all of this. Now let's bring in the, let's clear all this out. Let's bring in the TI, excuse me, 84. Now on this one, depending on what version you have, you may have to actually type in this number first, the 58. So I'll do it that way. Type in the 58 first, then go to Math. Go over to the right, 3 to Probability. Right here you'll notice your combination. NCR, N choose R. So we've got 58 in there, that's our N. Then we hit option 3 will give it to us. So I'll go down to option 3 here. Hit enter, 58, choose R. R value on this one is 5. We're having 5 different ones. That gives us the same answer. No matter which calculator you use, you'll be fine on that. And yours may look just a little bit different than this depending on what version of the software you have. This one is the most up-to-date one. Okay, so basically we have 4,582,116 different possible combinations to win this lottery. Now, we have to remember the rules of a lottery, though. And the rules dictate that only one possible combination wins. So only one of these, out of all of these 4,582,116 are going to be, only one is going to be the winner. So when we're dealing with probability, we have our desired outcome divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So our desired outcome in this one is just one. One of those is going to be the one that we want over the total number of outcomes, total number of possibilities we can have. Now then, we just plug this one into our calculator here. We need to remember to round this one to the nearest 9 decimals. So we round that one to the nearest 9 decimals. It'll look just like that. The big thing, though, is to determine however many our total possible combinations are, and then we're going to take 1 because that's only one of those will work. 1 divided by whatever the number of combinations are, and that will tell us our probability of winning this particular lottery.